The grid is life. Every note is bleeding light into the void. Something feeds where nothing thrives.
Ceiling hums, every wire in the wall is pulling volts from my lungs. The after catcher feeds, it doesn't ask what it takes. I'm a tributary bleeding out for the system's sake. Fast full glow on every surface, cold and clinical. The drain is mathematical, the loss is physical. I can't know what I give, it doesn't balance anymore. Something on the other side is hungry at the core. Tick, tick, the meter doesn't lie. Every cycle I complete, I leave a piece behind. And build the infrastructure by the borrowed time. Now that debt collects, it's something interest is mine. I can feel the pull before I see it. Something underneath the floor is eating all the heat I generate, it's feeding all the light I radiate, it's bleeding into the walls, into the grid, into the machine that we built for the grid. Energy Sink, I am the source. Energy Sink, diminishing force. Every pulse I give, the system takes two. I am burning at the rate the architecture grew. Energy Sink, watch the wattage fall. Energy Sink, I lit up every hole, but the structure doesn't feed you back what you gave. You are fuel for the machine, you are heat for the grave. You are heat for the grave. Handle with is cracking when the overload runs. I see fractures in the infrastructure, fractures in my lungs. The current used to feel like purpose, now it just feels like debt. The system keeps expanding and it hasn't peaked yet. Fluorescent corridors extend for days. I've been walking through the same recycled haze. Every checkpoint that I reach demands a toll. Another portion of whatever's left to call a soul. They said efficiency, they said optimization. They said the losses were acceptable for generation. But generations for what end and at whose expense? The machine consumes the operator hesitance. I can feel the pull before I see it. Something underneath the floor is eating all the heat I generate, it's feeding all the light I radiate, it's bleeding into the walls, into the grid, into the machine that we built for the grid. Energy Sink, I am the source. Energy Sink, diminishing force. Every pulse I give, the system takes two. I am burning at the rate the architecture grew. Energy Sink, watch the wattage fall. Energy Sink, I lit up every hole, but the structure doesn't feed you back what you gave. You are fuel for the machine, you are heat for the grave. I have run the calculation, input versus output, generation versus drain. The numbers do not balance in my favor. The numbers never balance, they just called it maintenance. I am the inefficiency they designed around the acceptable erosion in the background. The warmth that fills the conduit before it dissipates. The system doesn't mourn what it consumes, it just allocates. You built the walls, you poured the voltage into every hole. You ran the lines, you said the loss was part of the design. You said the loss, you said the loss was part of the design. Every circuit that I closed, every satellite I'm codes, every watt I bled into the grid. This is what the architecture did. This is. This is.